Martin Lapinoff Alternative Heating Solutions, and I've seen people on the forums or in the groups asking if they need antifreeze in their boiler. And what we have here, the water circulating, but the boiler has not been lit yet. They're coming in, and there's going back out. When I started the pump, they were both at 55. And what we did here is just close the valve to force water through those two loops that would normally be run off the switching relay. And I'm actually surprised it's working as well as it is, because there was only room to put the heat exchanger in the return, as much as I don't care for it. And there's just absolutely no way it's going on top. And this one actually has more room than the second heat pump on the other side of the house. So it's in the return, pulling house temperature air through it. The fans run continuously on both of them because it's a somewhat open floor plan. So all the heat wants to go right up to the second story. And so, yes, if you're going to leave, no one to tend the boiler, let it go out, put a cap on it, and in this case, shut this valve, and he's good to go. No need to worry about the boiler freezing or buying expensive glycol that's going to need replaced quite often, because it's not meant for an open system. What we have over here, this mess, is when we get it done, we got a closed pressurized loop we're going to fill with glycol for the pool heater. And then all he'll need to do is just drain the pool stuff like normal, and nothing to deal with as far as the boiler side. This has been Martin Lapinoff Alternative Heating Solutions. If women don't find you handsome, we say you can find you handy.